love it. I love it. I love it. Yes.
Yes. It's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mara Moore. And if you want more, I'll give you more. In this video, I have achieved this look for you. It's giving me fall vibes.
The leaves are falling, it's raining, it's getting cold, summer didn't exist.
I've decided to create this look in inspiration of the weather. I think everything I used was mainly drugstore products. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yes. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to be going in with my favorite, and this is the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. So this look is going to be like very fall. I love fall. Don't you guys just love fall? Okay, I'm from Florida, so obviously that's the sunshine state. Try saying that 3 times fast, okay? And every day is hot or humid. Even when it's raining, it's still humid, and then the flies come out. So your girl loves heat. Ever since I've been in England now, it's like I don't like the cold at all. But then when it's hot here, it's just artificial. It's not real, you know? I like the fall season. And even when it snows, I don't mind layering up myself and whatnot. I mean, it is what it is. It's fall season. So I'm just gonna go with my brows. My brows are dyed. So I'm just gonna go with some brow gel and a little bit of concealer, and my brows are practically done. So this is the Technic brown gel in dark brown. Now once I put some of this on, it's not a dramatic difference, but my brows are definitely done with a little bit of brow gel on there. And like when it was hot, we couldn't really do anything anyway because of Rona. Rona was lurking, and it still is lurking. Just gonna outline my brows with a little bit of concealer, and this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. But I'm not gonna lie, I do prefer fall season than snow. I don't mind, it's just like rain with me. I don't mind looking at it. Rain just makes me fall asleep. Like the sound of rain just makes me fall asleep. I love the sound of rain. And just like even like watching it, I know that sounds a bit weird, but like I wouldn't even say it's weird. I like it. Okay, so if that makes me weird, I guess I'm weird, okay? And snow, I don't like being in it at all. I won't play in it because I have sensitive teeth. I don't know how these correlate, but like I have sensitive teeth, and if someone like chews ice, it affects my teeth. I don't know why I'm holding my whole head. What is going on? Well, at least you guys have seasons, because in Florida, I mean, there's just tornadoes and hurricanes. But hurricane season was horrible. I have to have flashlights and all kinds of stuff ready. Batteries, generators ready, board games. I don't know why it took so long on my brows. Maybe because I'm like talking with you guys. But I don't mind talking with you guys. This is what it's all about, you know? Talking, getting to know each other. Unlike the generation that we live in now, no one talks anymore. Next, we're gonna go on to the face. So I'm just gonna mix my 2 favorite foundations, which is the Fit Me by Maybelline, and this is in the shade 352, as well as the L'Oreal Perfect Match foundation in Deep Cool. I really need to try some like new foundations, so when you guys see new videos with new products, you know, y'all will see that my videos have come a long way, honey. If you watch my first video compared to like one of my videos now, you will see the difference. I'm so proud of myself, as I should be, because you know I work hard on these videos. I'm gonna put contacts in. Let's just make sure all of this is blended in properly before I put them in. I should have put them in before I started this video, but doesn't matter. So for concealers, the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. Cool. And for contour, I'm just gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Mahogany. I'm just gonna take a little bit on the brush. So to blend that out, I'm just gonna take my Flawless Concealer brush and just start blending all of this out. So next I'm just gonna go in with some setting powder, and I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier setting powder, and this is in translucent. I probably won't even use that much if you guys can see it. Over the top of that, I'm just gonna go in with some L'Oreal True Match blendable powder. Next is bronzer. You guys already know my favorite bronzer is the Revolution Glow in medium dark. So next is blush, and I'm going to be going in with the Sleek blush in Flushed. Yes, that's the name. Nice pretty pink. Not too much, just bringing some color back into the skin. You know, I never used to like blush. I just thought if I packed too much on, I just look like an actual clown. But now I love a nice blush. You know, it's pretty. For the eyes, we're going to be using one palette. We're going to be using this Revolution palette here. Very nice, very simple, very fall-like. Okay, this shade here at the bottom, it's giving me like a burnt orange shade. That's pretty. Just gonna pack that on. Ooh, that is looking nice. This shade here, I'm sorry you guys, there's no like names for these, so I have to keep showing you. So I'm just gonna go with this shade here. It's giving me like a burgundy vibe. And there. So next I'm just gonna go in with a nice gold right there. I'm just gonna place that on the inner parts of the lid. No, okay. So what we're gonna do is go in with some highlight. And we're gonna be using the Gold Digger highlight. This one here. You guys already know it's nice and gold. As a matter of fact, I actually have a gold one. This one. So now for the bottom part of my eyes, the same shade that I used here, and just buff that out. Next we're gonna go with some mascara, and this is the e.l.f. mascara 3-in-1. So those are lashes on. So let's go in with the bottom lashes, just a little bit of mascara. Next is the lips. So we're gonna do one of my favorite combos that I did in my lip combos video, and I think it was the last look. It was like a nice brown. So first we're just gonna outline my lips with a nice brown lip pencil. So this is the lipstick here, and believe it or not, it's from H&M. And look at this. That's so pretty. Now we can either leave the look like this, or we can add a gloss on top. This just look nice though. This in itself is just a really pretty look. But I'm gonna add a gloss. I'm gonna be using this Revolution lip cream here. Just right over the top of that. And lastly, we are just gonna go in with some setting spray, and this is by Collection Ready and Prime. So you guys, this is the finished look. No, this look is really pretty. Like, it just goes together. It's so natural, it's so neutral, it's so pretty. It's fall season. I like it. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this look. I'll make sure I put everything that I used in the description. So please, oh my gosh, who's messaging me? So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.